Click on the link below to get price. The Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2.0 is an impressive ride that combines power, comfort, and versatility. Featuring a robust 1400W peak motor, it delivers an exhilarating experience, effortlessly reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour. This impressive performance makes it an ideal choice for both city commuting and off-road adventures. The motor's responsiveness makes tackling steep hills and rough terrains a breeze, providing riders with the confidence to explore various environments. One of the standout features of the Ranger 2.0 is its removable 48V20L lithium battery, which offers an impressive range of up to 50 miles on a single charge. This extended range ensures that you can confidently embark on longer journeys without the anxiety of running out of power. The battery is conveniently designed for easy removal, allowing for hassle-free charging at home or work. The bike's construction is solid, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame that can support riders weighing up to 330 pounds. This durability does not compromise comfort. The adjustable seat and front suspension fork provide a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and ensuring comfort over varying terrains. The 26-inch puncture-resistant tires enhance stability and grip, making the Ranger 2.0 versatile enough for both urban paths and rugged trails. Additionally, the bike's intuitive control panel offers multiple riding modes, allowing you to choose between pedal assist and full electric options. The LED display is easy to read, showcasing important information like speed, distance, and battery level. Safety features are also prioritized in the design, with front and rear disc brakes providing reliable stopping power in all conditions. Integrated LED lights enhance visibility during night rides, contributing to overall safety. Overall, the Heybike Ranger 2.0 offers excellent value for its price, combining a powerful motor, long battery life, and a comfortable ride, making it a top choice for anyone in the market for an electric bike.